Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Caden, as you all know, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to do one of the best, quickest, easiest, and cheapest mods to your naturally aspirated Mazda 3 hatchback. This mod can be done to any 2004 to 2009 Mazda 3, and I think it's one of the best mods out there. So in today's video, we're gonna be installing this MazdaSpeed 3-wing on a 08 base model Mazda 3, so not the Speed. Without further ado, I'm gonna load up the wing in the car and we're gonna head out to my shop where we're gonna install the wing. The shop and we're gonna put the speed wing on this car. This is a 2008 Mazda 3. Just gonna show you guys what it looks like. Let's go. Where'd you put the wing, Samir?
And there's the wing.
There we go. Alright, I need to get tools. So what you guys are gonna need for this is just a 10mm deep socket. That's it. And maybe like a pry tool. We'll see. We may need it, we may not.
Basically, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's out. And that's all there is to it, kids. Caden, hurry up.
I can't find the 10mm. I got it. It's not gonna fit. All right, so first step, you're gonna wanna pop off this plastic shield here because there's a bolt, or a nut actually, we're gonna have to access under there. So you guys are gonna wanna take this center nut off right here, as Samir already did, and then there's 2 bolts on this side and 2 bolts on this side, and then also reach in here, and you should be able to feel a plug somewhere. There it is, and you're just gonna wanna unplug this. So for those of you that don't know us, Samir's like the designated worker. Like whenever we need work done on our cars, even though we're capable and we can do it, he just does it.
Test is on just a savage like that.
There are clips on this, so you just gently pry those off. Do you have them all undone?
Yeah, it's off.
There we go. So that's, you guys can see, make sure you pull this out right here. You may need to, what was that?
Nothing?
All right, so there we have it. The stock wing is off. Now we're gonna throw on the speed one and you guys will get an idea of what it looks like. So a couple things you are gonna need to do on the speed wing is just take off a little bit of these tabs. There's one here. You're gonna need to take this one off and that one as well. Make sure you guys fish the cord here through the hole.
I knew that.
And then you just get that little bolt there to go through. There you go. And then we just need to open it up and do those bolts up. Guys, also a tip, for this middle nut you put on, they always seem to back themselves off, so I recommend just putting on like some blue Loctite or something.
Because they don't give it a good enough ugga-dugga.
How many ugga-duggas should you give it?
That's like 2. No, that's like 1. So 1 ugga-dugga.
Hey guys, so make sure you plug in the cord, that way your brake light actually works, and snug up those 4 bolts there, and then you're good to go. Does it work?
Oh my god! We're good.
Alright guys, so we got the speed wing all on. It looks so much better than like that little stock one. I highly recommend this mod. The only thing with this mod, you are gonna have these little holes here. Some people have made like fiberglass inserts to put in there or like welded them up, but like,
Or you go to your local hardware store, Amazon, you order some clips off of like Amazon, and you just push them in. They're just pop pins you'd use for your engine bay pieces or whatever.
yeah.
Flash to my rear badge, same clips. Just put those in there and you're fine.
Oh yeah. So like, there's lots of alternatives, and I think the mod's worth it. Like, this wing looks so much nicer than the little stock one. So yeah, just wanted to warn you guys, that's the only thing, but it's not a big deal. Okay guys, so there we have it. Speed 3 wing installed on a regular 3. Everything you need to know. I hope you guys could follow along, and yeah, just thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.